back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get all the information and latest news out there. And talking about today's video, we have got some exciting offering gadget out here, which is Apple's iMac 27 inches out here. Yes. Talking about iMac, we can say that Apple's iMac and the MacBook Pro series is really amazing out there. And now when we say about iMac, then we can say that 27-inch screen size is really good, and it has been upgraded from 1.5 inch screen sizes. There is a great upgradation and great functionality changes out there. Now when we say there is a change, then it definitely means that 21.5-inch screen size version is different from 27-inch screen size, and the major difference out here lies in the retinal version. Yes, earlier we had seen retinal 4K display out here and non-retinal also. So now we have got a Retina 5K display version with this. So Apple's iMac 27 inches out there offering you Retina 5K display is really good out here, offering you a great resolution capacity. Yes, it offers you a great resolution capacity. Along with that, you get to see that it has got a native resolution of 5120 into 2880, like 5120 into 2880 out there is the native resolution offering out here. Apart from that, if we talk about the colorization, then there is a support of 1 billion colors out there. Yes. So overall, if we talk about, then we can say that overall this colorization is super amazing because you get to have such a good output at the end that it offers you great functionality. Talking about this variant, talking about display out here, then we can say that there are 500 nits brightness display out here with white colorization and true tone technology also. So these are the things which make this variant super amazing. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, that is Apple iMac 27 inches Retina 5K display out here, then we can say that there are different variants available in this. Yes, you will get to see different versions available out here. There are different variants available out here. So talking about variants, we can say that there are variants which are offering you different processing system. And when we say about the processing system, then we cannot neglect out the fact that there is 3.1 gigahertz to 3.8 gigahertz range. Yes, 3.1 to 3.8 gigahertz range is there, offering you a great functionality. It offers you 3.1, 3.3 and 3.8 gigahertz processor along with Intel Core i5 processor or i7. Yes, these are the two Intel Core processor you can see in this. And all the three processing systems uses the 10th generation Intel Core, whereas 3.8 gigahertz is offering you i7 out here, whereas you might find i5 in both the remaining variants. If we talk about the configuration, then the configuration is available for 3.3 gigahertz to 3.6 gigahertz, and it can be upgraded or configured to 10th generation Intel Core i9 out there. Whereas if we talk about 3.8, then it can be configured to 3.6 gigahertz with the same Intel Core processor of 10th generation Intel Core i9. So there is a configuration out here. We can see the configuration also. But definitely when we talk about configurations, then we can say that because of these things, there are so many changes out there and you may see the price change also. Now, if there are changes in the processing system, is there a change in RAM quality out there? Yes, definitely RAM quality also differs. Talking about the RAM quality, we can say that there is 8 GB RAM out here offering in this variant. Yes, 8 GB RAM is being offered, along with the configuration of 16 GB, 32 GB, 64 GB, or 128 GB. So configuration could be seen out. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, if we talk about Apple's iMac 27 inch with Retina 4K display, then we can say that it offers you a storage capacity of 256 GB. Yes, 256 GB SSD storage is there out. But there is a configuration also. Yes, if there is a configuration available, out with only 512 GB SSD. Yes, if you are being offered with 512 GB out there, then there's a configuration to 1 TB or 2 TB. Yes, you might get up to 1 TB or 2 TB. But if you want to upgrade it more, then there is a higher charging gadgets out there offering you 3.8 gigahertz out there, offering you 2 TBs like more than 4 and 8 TBs out there. So we talk overall, then there is a difference out with the processing system and the storage out there. Apart from that, if we talk about the graphical part, then we can say that they uses Ryzen Pro out there, which is of 5300 with 4 GB of GDDR memory. Yes, you get to see Ryzen Pro out there 5300 with 4 GB out there. These can be used, and one gadget which is 3.8 gigahertz is offering you a configuration, yes, a pro configuration also in this version. So overall, if we talk, then the version has been a good functionality out there. Talking about this version, we can say that there is a good video support out there. Yes, there is a very good video support offering you a face HD out there, FaceTime HD camera out there. Along with that, a good video quality, camera quality could be seen. Apart from that, if we talk about the audio quality, then it has got a stereo type speakers out there at the back end, along with the mic system and the jack system inbuilt, and you also get to have a support of Hey Siri. Yes, Hey Siri is also supported out here, so that's really great out there. Display port and Thunder ports could be seen out along with the configurations. And most interestingly, Mac series follows that wireless connectivity with keyboards and the mouse out there, which can be seen in this variant also. Apart from that, you get to see that it offers you great Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, and it might weigh approximately 8 kgs to 8.9 kgs out there. So approximately weight is this. But if we talk about this variant, then it has got really good functionality, and there is a good version out there. You can say a good functional and upgradation from 21.5 inches screen size out there. And now talking about this variant, we can say that it offers a great battery life also, and a pricing is must for every gadget. And one such website is available with us. We are at justatclick.com. Yes, the website name is justatclick.com, which offers you great pricing, offers you great pocketable rates for not just one gadget but n number of gadgets. You can check it out from all brand laptops under the category of this or in this top categories out there. Apart from that, if we talk about the search icon, that it helps you to search your favorite gadgets. Yes, it helps to search your favorite gadgets out here. Like I have been searching this. This is the result, and as we were talking about Apple iMac 27 inches out there, Retina 5K display. This variant is 3.5 gigahertz quad core, which we have already talked that is a configurational out there. We can easily configure it. And when we talk about this variant, you get to see a small description box out here. You get to see a small description box also. As well as when we talk about this variant, there is a condition written in the center out there, that is the refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition also. Talking about refurbished products, we can say that refurbished products are actually nothing else, but they are slightly brand new. Like if you can say that refurbished products and brand new products are quite similar. The only difference lies out in the pathway. Otherwise, if we talk about functionality, if we talk about the functions, everything is same out here. Now, what does actually refurbished products pathway is like? When we talk about pathway, it is like there is a base, there is a mediator, then there is a consumer. You have these three things. Base is always the you can say from where we get that product. Yes, the sole owner or the pre-owner or the company, anything could be the base. Now it depends from where that product is being distributed out. So that is the base. Mediator is the place where they have been distributing or the bridge out there. Whereas consumer is nothing else but the users or the new owners of that gadget. So this is what the three pathway includes. If we talk about brand new, then the company is the base out here. Yes, the company is the base out here, and you get to have the marketplace as a mediator. As marketplace is the mediator, whereas the consumers are none other than the users. We are the consumers out here. So this is what consumers is all about. Talking about the base, talking about mediator and consumer, we can see that refurbished product is extension of the brand new. How? Now we know that the pathway is like company, marketplace, user. This users becomes the base for the refurbished product, because refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets. They have been owned by a user, so they becomes the base. Now after the base, they don't want to use this out, so they resell it in the marketplace. And now when they resell it in the marketplace, they are categorized as a refurbished, or still they are not categorized as refurbished. We can say they are categorized as a normal gadget. They are still to be conditionized out there. Now what happens there is, in this marketplace, they are pre-owned gadgets. They have to be tested, verified, checked out whether the parts are perfectly working or not. Everything has to be tested. Now once it is tested, when its testimoniality is given, it is conditionized, or we can say the condition is given to it, that is refurbished. Now the brand is refurbished and is ready to be sold again. So it is sold out on that website itself, and the new users have it. They are the consumers out there. So this is overall path, including in from brand new to refurbished. So we can say that brand new's extension is the refurbished product. Now, what are the tests which are involved in it? Yes, tests plays a very important role. And when we say tests, then we can say that there are actually two major classifications of tests, which includes like one is the external parameters and another one is the internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, if we talk about the external parameters, then we can say the external parameters are nothing else but the parameters like display, their buttons, their length, width, thickness, scratches out there. If there is a camera out there, then how is it working? Power mode out there, charging, slots out there. Everything has to be checked. If there are buttons, then buttons are intact or not. Everything has to be checked. So these are the things which are involved externally. So we can say that external parameters are nothing else but the parameters which are involved, which can be checked out through eyes, and no much gadgets are required. Yes, equipments are not required much. So we can say these are the parameters. Now, what does happen once the external parameters are verified? We can say that once external parameters are verified, these go to the internal parameters. What are the internal parameters? Let us talk about them also. These internal parameters includes the internal paths, the internal small elements which are used out in that, and they cannot be just checked with our eyes or a small things out there. They need proper equipments, and these equipments verify about the testimoniality of them. These includes like if it is using any operating system, what kind of operating system is this? Like Windows, Mac is using iOS, Mac OS, or any kind of operating system out there. The processor it uses, if there are charging slots, then how is the charging slot working or not, USB is working or not out there, the internal points are working properly or not, the connectivity is giving proper or not, every single thing internally we talk about everything, like the storage capacity out there, the internal capacities out there, RAM quality out there, everything has to be checked and verified out there. So this is a must known thing for checking any refurbished products. And once these products are checked, these products are verified, we can see that external and internal parameters are verified, then they are given a certificate. These products are classified, or we can say conditionized as certified refurbished products. Yes, they are conditioned or are said as refurbished products. Now, talking about these refurbished products, what do they offer? They actually offer you good quality of products, good services out there. But once we check out these products, they are verified. What if the condition says that some parts are not working properly? Yes, some parts are not working good. it is missing out there. So they have to be replaced with the original parts out there. Yes, no duplicate parts or not any other part out there. They are actually replaced by the ओरिजिनल पार्ट्स फ्रॉम द कंपनी इटसेल्फ। यस, जो कंपनी रिलीज करती है मार्केट में वो उनसे ही रिप्लेस किया जाता है। So this is also an additional point to the refurbished products. And if they cannot be replaced, then the product is not brought in the market. Yes, that it is not brought back in the market out there. So you can say that there are no fake or unknown parts, there are original parts out there. Now, when we talk about these products, then we can say that it offers you premium quality out here, now offering you good quality products. It is offering you great functionality. Structurality is also good. But what are the major advantages involved in refurbished products over brand new? Definitely, brand new products offer you great offerings that you're the first one to use that product, you're the first person. But refurbished products also have some advantages, like they offer you pocketable rates out there. Yes, they offer you pocketable rates. Now, what does this mean? This means that once a gadget is pre-owned, then the market price of that gadget, that particular gadget which was pre-owned, is reduced. Yes, that is reduced, and you get to have that gadget in your pocketable rates. So that's also an advantage thing out there. And if you have got pocketable rates, then you can save. Yes, you get to save a great saving. How you save? Like, we know that refurbished products are pocketable rates and brand new products are slightly expensive. So there is a difference in the pricing. So you get to save a great saving out there. Apart from that, if we talk about the warranty period, brand new products offer you 1 year warranty, but refurbished products also offer you 6 months warranty. So this is quite exciting that if we talk about a pre-owned gadget, then they are usually not having any warranty period. But if a condition is mentioned as refurbished, then you get to have 6 months warranty along with 70 exchange policy. Yes, 70 exchange policy can also be seen out there. So these are the benefits of having a refurbished product. So these can be checked out on any websites or out there. So let us go back to the website we were talking about. So we were talking about justatclick.com. Yes, we were talking about justatclick.com. And when we talk about this website, then we can say it offers you great offering out there, your favorite products in your pocketable rates out there. As well as when we talk about this website, then we can say that it offers you COD. Yes, COD is there. Along with that, free home delivery out there, money back guarantee also there. So you get to have your favorite laptops, your favorite PCs, your favorite gadgets out there in pocketable rates and in a hassle-free manner. So you can check out this website. The website link has been given in the description box. You can check it out. Or on Google, you can type justatclick.com. The search bar helps you to search your favorite gadget out there, favorite points out there in a very limited time. Or you can check out the category out here mentioned for your favorite gadgets out there. So you can definitely check out. And if we talk about the shipping timing, then it takes 48 hours shipping timing in most parts of UAE, whereas in Saudi it might take up to a week. For best pricing, visit out the website, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.